Today we're putting the Bambu H2S to work in the shop. Every print you're about to see was designed to solve a real problem, keeping tools organized, accessible, and exactly where we need them. From custom holders to smart storage solutions, these prints show how powerful 3D printing can be when it's built around your workflow. Let's take a look at how the Bambu H2S helped turn clutter into a clean, efficient workshop. The first print we want to show you is this wall-mounted sandpaper holder, easily our favorite so far. Sandpaper is something we're always misplacing, and this completely fixed that. We printed it and mounted it to our French cleat system, replacing the old cubby shelves that just weren't cutting it. Now every grit is visible, easy to grab, and right where we need it. It's a simple print that made a big difference in our shop organization. To go with our sandpaper holder, we also printed this sander holder for the wall. It's a simple, functional design that keeps the sander off the bench and right where we need it. The print only took about 30 minutes on the Bambu H2S, and we mounted it directly to our French cleat wall. It's a small upgrade, but it ties the whole sanding setup together and keeps everything organized and easy to grab. Next up is our 3D printed battery holder station, designed to keep all of our cordless tools organized across multiple platforms: Ryobi, DeWalt, and Milwaukee. Since Ryobi is our primary battery system, we built this station to make battery status obvious at a glance. We painted a few of the Ryobi holders red to clearly mark dead batteries that need charging, while white holders mean they're fully charged and ready to go. No guessing, no wasted time, just grab and get back to work. Every shop needs ear protection, and somehow it's always the hardest thing to find when you need it the most. This simple 3D printed ear protection holder solved that problem instantly. We added one at each workstation, so protection is always within reach. This print only took about 20 minutes, but it made a huge impact on safety, organization, and workflow in our shop. You wouldn't believe how often we lose a pencil in the middle of a project, so adding a simple 3D printed pencil holder was a no-brainer. It stores around 50 pencils within arm's reach, keeping them organized and ready when we need them. This print features a clever honeycomb design and was super easy to find on Maker World. It's one of those small but incredibly handy tools that you could use anywhere. Add a magnet to the back and it sticks right on your fridge. We 3D printed a spray can shaker that attaches directly to our Milwaukee Sawzall, a tool we don't use often, so this was a perfect way to put it to work. Simply clamp the can in place, tighten the holder, and turn on the Sawzall. In just 10 to 15 seconds, the can is perfectly shaken, saving your arms from the repetitive effort of manual shaking. It's a simple, clever print that turns an underused tool into a shop saver.
Now I recognize the 3D prints I showcased for you today aren't for everyone, but I do think you'll be printing some of them. The purpose of this video is to showcase that a woodshop definitely can benefit by having a 3D printer. And in reality, you're only limited by your imagination. So until next time, hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the Project Dreamers Workshop.